Hi everyone, Brett for Living Whole here. Today we're going to show you how to install the Sprite high output shower filter. It's a really simple process. You may need some tools, but it's generally really simple. So make sure your water's shut off. We're just going to disconnect the shower from the wall. Now I've loosened this up previously, so this may take you a little bit, it might be a little bit tighter for you, you know what I mean? So you'll also want to make sure that you've got some sort of thread tape around here so that there's a good seal. Really straightforward sort of stuff though, but generally that should already be in place. Any good quality plumber will do that. Just screw the unit on, nice and firm, don't over tighten. Place this back as you would expect. Really simple. And a couple more turns, get that nice, and that is the shower filter now installed. Let's just show you. And as you can see, the output doesn't drop at all with these things. They're really good. So 112,500 litres you'll get out of one of these filters before you'll need to replace the cartridge. If you want, you can actually take the cartridge inside and swap it around every month to 2 months. That way you'll get a bit better filtration over the life of the cartridge. To be honest with you, we didn't do that, we haven't done that, but I think you can definitely do that sort of stuff. So really simple installation. Thanks for watching.